Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Yahya. My matric number is B082010-353. Next slide. So we're going to present about the water conservation and management, which is we have studied and make some research. Next slide. So we have studied. We have. So from the question, we have made some study and about the importance of water conservation. 60% of the human body is water. Like the rest of life on this planet, water is essential to how we function. Water is necessary for the survival and operation of animals, plants, and environment. Some individuals are unaware that drinking water is a precious resource with a limited supply, and the conservation can have significant impact. By conserving water, we can make sure that our town will have enough for everyone to use. Conservation water also can make it possible for an area to have enough water to last throughout the day, especially during droughts. Water conservation at home won't necessarily help abroad, but it also can ensure our community has access to food and clean water for every day. Next slide. The importance of conservation water is also to food. The majority of human water use is for agricultural productivity. Millions of gallons of water are needed to produce animals, crops for human use, and crops for livestock in order to feed a population of millions of people. Water is also required for meal preparation. Additionally, we need remember that to wash our hands after handling and leftover food or dishes by using the water. That's all.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad FIKRI bin AZEMI. Number matric B0820100497. I will continue with sanitation. In many nations, water is a crucial element of waste management and sanitation. Imagine having to share bad water with the entire home, or shaving and brushing your teeth without any water. It will be challenging. Indoor plumbing will even be the convenient if there was enough clean water for everyone to access. Thus, comfort can be credited to more than just a convenience of indoor plumbing and other technologies advancement. Next. By saving water, we also can save money. We must pay for the usage of water since it is scarce and expensive resources that literally support life. Next. The effective water management practice includes a variety of plans and methods designed to guarantee the efficient and sustainable use of water resources. These include treating wastewater, managing water supplies, and reduce water population. Water pollution. Communities can maintain the long-term availability of water resources, protect ecosystem, and develop by implementing this efficient water management practice. The first one is rainwater harvesting, such a efficient water management practice that involves collecting and storing rainwater from various purposes. Utilizing rainfall that might otherwise run off and be lost through rainwater harvesting help conserve water.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad ASHRIQ bin KAMARUDDIN. My matrix number B0820100301. And I'm going to present about benefits water conservation. So, firstly, environmental protection. Conserving water is essential for safeguarding the environment. Water sources like rivers, lakes, and aquifers aren't put under as much stress when we use less water. Number two, sustainable water supply. Water conservation contributes to the sustainability of water supply for current and future generations. We can preserve appropriate water supplies by conserving water and using it wisely. Number 3 is cost savings. Water conservation can result in huge financial savings for people, households, and enterprise. Both individuals and businesses can save money by using less water, which will also result in decreased water. Next. Next. Okay. Okay. Next is challenge of water management. Water management faces with several challenges. One of it is water pollution. Water management is significantly hampered by pollution from industrial discharges, agricultural runoff, and inadequate wastewater treatment. Water sources that are contaminated can degrade ecosystem, have an impact on human health, and make it difficult to access clean water. Climate change also included as a result of changing precipitation patterns, more frequent and intense extreme weather events, and changes in water availability. Climate change has an impact on water resources, water supply, irrigation, and flood control. Face difficulties as a result of warming temperatures. Next. Lastly, water conservation in agriculture. First, in agriculture, water conservation refers to the techniques and plans used to reduce water consumption while increasing crop output and protecting water supplies. One of the plans is soil management. Enhancing the structure and health of the soil raises its water holding capacity and less the need for frequent irrigation. And another plan is water measuring and monitoring. Farmers can track their water consumption and pinpoint areas for improvement by regularly monitoring their water usage with water meters or other measurement equipment.
My name is Muhammad Afiq Aiman. My number matric is P08 2010 186. So I will explain about water conservation in technologies. Technologies used to conserve water include new techniques, methods, and equipment to create a lessen water use, reduce waste, and maximum water use in a variety of applications in order to provide plants with the appropriate amount of water based on their real demand. Smart irrigation system use with the water, soil, moisture sensor, and evaporation models. And another way is leak detection system. Advanced leak detection technology such flow meter and sound sensor aid in locating and identifying leaks in water distribution system. And the future of water management, population expansion, climate change, technology development, regulatory change, and social awareness are just a few of the elements that will influence how water management is done in the future. Effective water management will be more and more crucial as the global population keep expanding and rainfall pattern change due to climate change. A combination of technology for conservation, reusing, and desalination will be needed for this together with regulation that support the sustainable use of water. Okay, the conclusion, at the end we can conclude conserving water is crucial for maintaining life, safeguarding the environment, and ensuring a bright future. Individuals, communities, government, and business must adopt water-saving habits, make investment in effective technologies, and raise public understanding of the significance of water conservation. Okay, that's all for our meeting. Thank you.